In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Figma prototype video on Behance case study. Start inside your Figma file with the project you want to showcase. Before sharing anything, make sure the prototype itself is ready. Click the Present button, the small play icon in the top right. This opens the prototype viewer exactly how your audience will experience it. Click through your flows, check transitions, hover states, and any overlays. Confirm that your starting frame is the one you want. The viewport size looks right, and nothing important is getting cut off. This quick pass avoids surprises later, and ensures what you embed is polished. When everything looks good, close the presentation view and look to the top right for the Share Prototype button. This is designed specifically for sharing your interactive prototype rather than the design file. Clicking it opens a dialog that prepares your shareable options and makes it easy to generate the code you'll need for Behance. In that dialog, choose the Embed option, sometimes shown as Copy Embed Code. The Embed option gives you a small HTML snippet, usually an iframe, that Behance will accept. Before copying, check the available settings such as dimensions or whether to include a device frame if that's offered. Picking a width and height that match your layout prevents odd cropping in Behance. Once you are happy with the preview and settings, copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Behance project editor. Open the project where you want the prototype to appear, and click the embed icon, which looks like angle brackets. This adds an embed field right in your project layout so you can drop in rich media without extra formatting. Paste the embed code into the field and click Embed. You should see an instant preview. If it looks a bit too small or too tall, you can tweak the width and height values directly in the code you pasted, then re-embed until it fits your layout nicely. Place it where it best supports your narrative. And consider adding a short caption that explains what viewers are about to interact with. That's it. Thanks for watching.